Welcome to Quiz Time Brain Boosters, where curiosity meets the right answer. Who am I? I have a lightning bolt-shaped scar on my forehead. My parents were killed by a dark wizard when I was a baby. I was raised by my unkind aunt and uncle in a cupboard under the stairs. I am famous throughout the wizarding world as the boy who lived. I play seeker for Gryffindor's Quidditch team. The correct answer is Harry Potter. Who am I? I am considered the smartest witch of my age at Hogwarts. My parents are both dentists and muggles. I am sorted into Gryffindor House. I use a time turner to attend extra classes in my third year. I eventually marry my longtime friend Ron Weasley. The correct answer is Hermione Granger. Who am I? I come from a large, loving wizarding family. I have 6 older siblings. I am afraid of spiders. I inherit a hand-me-down wand from my brother Charlie. I am Harry Potter's best friend and playkeeper for Gryffindor. The correct answer is Ron Weasley. Who am I? I am the headmaster of Hogwarts for most of the series. I have a phoenix named Fox as a companion. I defeated the dark wizard Grindelwald in a legendary duel. I wear half-moon spectacles and have a long silver beard. I once owned the Elder Wand, the most powerful wand in existence. The correct answer is Albus Dumbledore. Who am I? I teach potions for most of the series at Hogwarts. I was a member of the Order of the Phoenix in secret. I was once bullied by Harry's father when we were students together. My Patronus is a doe, matching Lily Potter's. I am revealed to be the Half-Blood Prince. The correct answer is Severus Snape. Who am I? My birth name is Tom Marvolo Riddle. I grew up in a Muggle orphanage. I split my soul into several Horcruxes to avoid death. Wizards often refer to me as he who must not be named. I was ultimately defeated by Harry Potter. The correct answer is Voldemort. Who am I? I am the keeper of keys and grounds at Hogwarts. I was expelled from Hogwarts as a student but never lost my wand fragments. I keep many dangerous magical creatures as pets. I live in a small hut on the edge of the Forbidden Forest. I introduced Harry to the wizarding world by delivering his Hogwarts letter. The correct answer is Rubeus Hagrid. Who am I? My father is a wealthy and influential wizard. I am a member of Slytherin House. I often tease Harry, Ron, and Hermione during school. I have platinum blonde hair and a smug attitude. I struggle with a secret mission to kill Dumbledore in the 6th year. The correct answer is Draco Malfoy. Who am I? I am Harry's godfather. I was wrongly imprisoned in Azkaban for 12 years. I can transform into a large black dog. I escaped from Azkaban, becoming the first person to ever do so. I fall through a mysterious veil during a battle at the Ministry of Magic. The correct answer is Sirius Black. Who am I? I teach defense against the dark arts in Harry's. I am secretly a werewolf. I was one of the creators of the Marauders map. My nickname among old school friends was Moony. I later marry Nymphadora Tonks and have a son named Teddy. The correct answer is Remus Lupin. Who am I? I am a house elf. I once served the Malfoy family. I try to protect Harry from danger, even against his wishes. I can be freed from servitude if my master gives me clothing. I sacrifice my life helping Harry and his friends escape Malfoy Manor. The correct answer is Dobby. What am I? I am a magical creature with feathers. I am pure white in color. I was purchased at Diagon Alley from a shop called Elop's. I carry mail between the wizarding world and beyond. I belong to Harry Potter and was given to him by Hagrid. The correct answer is Hedwig. What am I? I have the front half of an eagle and the back half of a... I am cared for by Hagrid in his Care of Magical Creatures class. I nearly get executed after injuring Draco Malfoy. I require a respectful bow before anyone approaches me. I help Sirius Black escape by flying him away from Hogwarts. The correct answer is Buckbeak. What am I? I sit atop a stool during the start of term ceremony. I once belonged to Godric Gryffindor. I can read the minds of students placed upon my brim. I sing a different song each year to introduce the ceremony. I decide which of the 4 houses each new student belongs to. The correct answer is the Sorting Hat. What am I? I am a piece of enchanted parchment. I only reveal my true purpose when a specific phrase is spoken. I show the location of every person within Hogwarts Castle. I was created by 4 mischievous students, including James Potter. The phrase, mischief managed, hides my secrets. The correct answer is the Marauder's Map. What am I? I am a rare and valuable magical fabric. I make the wearer completely undetectable to the eye. I was passed down to Harry from his father, James. I am considered one of the 3 Deathly Hallows. Unlike most magical objects of my kind, I never wear out or lose my power. The correct answer is the invisibility cloak. What am I? I am considered the most powerful wand in existence. I have passed through many owners across history through defeat in combat. I am one of the 3 Deathly Hallows. Voldemort seeks me out, believing I will make him invincible. I ultimately end up back in Dumbledore's tomb after Harry chooses not to keep me. The correct answer is the Elder Wand. What am I? I am a hidden location inside King's Cross Station. Muggles cannot see or access me. You must walk directly at a solid barrier to reach me. I connect to a famous Scarlet steam engine. Students board the Hogwarts Express from my platform each September. The correct answer is platform 9 3/4. What am I? I am a school hidden from ordinary human perception. I am located somewhere in Scotland. My grounds include a forbidden forest and a large lake. I have 4 houses, each with its own dormitory tower or common room. I am the primary school of witchcraft and wizardry attended by Harry Potter. The correct answer is Hogwarts School. What am I? I am one of the 4 houses at Hogwarts. My founder valued courage and daring above all else. My house symbol is a lion. My common room is located behind a portrait of the Fat Lady. Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, and Hermione Granger all belong to me. The correct answer is Gryffindor. What am I? I am one of the 4 houses at Hogwarts. My founder valued ambition and cunning above all else. My house symbol is a serpent. My common room is located in the dungeons. Many dark witches and wizards, including Voldemort, once belonged to me. The correct answer is Slytherin. What am I? I am a legendary magical object said to grant. I can also turn any metal into pure gold. I was created by a famous alchemist named Nicholas Flamel. I am hidden at Hogwarts, protected by a series of magical obstacles. Quirrell, possessed by Voldemort, attempts to steal me in Harry's first year. The correct answer is the Philosopher's Stone. What am I? I am an enormous serpent. My gaze can kill instantly, or petrify if seen indirectly. I live hidden within a secret chamber beneath Hogwarts. I was released by Voldemort during his time as a student, Tom Riddle. I am ultimately slain by Harry using the sword of Gryffindor. The correct answer is the basilisk. What am I? I am a dark, floating creature often found near. I feed on human happiness, leaving despair in my wake. I can perform a fatal act called the kiss, removing a person's soul. I guard the wizard prison of Azkaban. I can only be repelled by a powerful spell called the Patronus Charm. The correct answer is Dementor. What am I? I am a magical competition held once every few. I involve 3 dangerous tasks testing skill, bravery, and intelligence. I traditionally involve 3 participating wizarding schools. A magical artifact chooses the champions by spitting out their names. Harry unexpectedly becomes a 4th champion in this competition during his 4th. The correct answer is the Triwizard Tournament. What am I? I am a popular sport in the wizarding world. I am played on broomsticks high in the air. I involve 4 balls, 1 quaffle, 2 bludgers, and 1 golden. Each team has 7 players, including 3 chasers and 1 keeper. The game ends when the seeker catches the tiny, winged golden ball. The correct answer is Quidditch. What am I? I am a spell rather than an object or creature. I cause an opponent's wand to fly out of their hand. I am considered a signature spell of Harry Potter's. I am often used defensively during duels instead of harmful curses. I is famously cast by Harry against Voldemort in their final duel. The correct answer is Expelliarmus. What am I? I am a magical bird known for my healing tears. I burst into flame and am reborn from my own ashes. I belong to Albus Dumbledore. I deliver the Sorting Hat and Sword of Gryffindor to Harry in the Chamber of Secrets. My feather is also the magical core inside Harry's wand. The correct answer is Fox. Who am I? I am a young witch known for my quiet, dreamy I am a member of Ravenclaw House. I believe in unusual creatures that most wizards dismiss as myths. My father edits a magazine called The Quibbler. I become a close friend to Harry, especially after the loss of my mother. The correct answer is Luna Lovegood. Who am I? I am often seen as clumsy and forgetful. I am raised by my strict grandmother. I am sorted into Gryffindor, despite the Sorting Hat considering Hufflepuff. I grow much braver over the years, eventually leading the resistance at Hogwarts. I am the one who ultimately destroys Nagini, Voldemort's snake, with the sword of. The correct answer is Neville Longbottom. Quote for the day: Knowledge is power, by Francis Bacon. You rock! We hope you learned something new today. Tell us how you did in the comments. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Like and subscribe.